The summary of book influence the psychology of persuasion. The book helps us understand the ways you can influence others if you want them to accept your decisions. Chapter 1, Influence. Core idea is humans use mental shortcuts, rules of thumb, to make decisions quickly. These shortcuts usually help but can be exploited. Example, if something is expensive, people assume it's high quality. Influencer unboxing videos. Many people buy products after watching influencer open boxes on YouTube and Instagram. Why? The shortcut is if a popular person is excited, it must be worth it. Viewers often act automatically without deeply checking reviews. Supermarket bestseller labels. The bestseller tag on pasta or coffee makes us grab it, even if the label isn't regulated. Our brain clicks. If many people buy this, it must be good. So the tip is notice when you are buying something, are you judging quality based on actual evidence or just a price? Chapter 2, Reciprocation. Core idea is when someone gives you something, we feel obligated to return the favor. Example, free LinkedIn endorsement. If someone endorses your skills on LinkedIn, you often feel compelled to endorse theirs back, even if you haven't really worked with them much. That's reciprocity at work. They gave something, so you feel you owe them. Second is waiter tricks in restaurants. A waiter who gives a free mint or small candy with the bill often receives higher tips. Research shows tips increase by about 23% when waiters add 2 mints and make it personal. These are just for you. Businesses use this with free samples. You feel compelled to return the favor by buying. So the tip is you can use small genuine favors like helping a co-worker to build a goodwill. But be cautious not to feel trapped by obligations when others use it on you. Chapter 3, Liking. Core idea is we say yes when often to people when we like. Triggers of liking: physical attractiveness, similarity, compliments, familiarity, and association. Example, salesperson deliberately finds similarities with you. Oh, you are from Delhi? My cousin studied there too. The tip is if you want to persuade, build genuine connections and highlight similarities. At the same time, ask yourself, am I saying yes because I'm like that person or because I really want the deal? Chapter 4, Social Proof. Core idea is we look to others to decide what's correct, especially in certain situations. Example, TV shows use laugh tracks even though they sound fake. They make us laugh more. Bartenders solve the tip jar by putting in their own money first. Customers see others have tipped and follow the suit. The tip is if you are unsure, don't blindly follow the crowd. Ask, are these people really informed or are they just as clueless as me? Chapter 5, Authority. So, the core idea is we tend to obey authority figures often without questioning. Example, in the milligram experiment, participants administered what they thought were dangerous electric shocks just because the researcher in the lab coat told them to. Advertisers use actors dressed as doctors to sell medicine, banking on authority symbol. Tip is authority can be shortcut, but check if the person really has expertise or just symbols. Chapter 6, Scarcity. Core idea is people value things more than they are scarce or limited. Example is only two left in the stock on Amazon makes you rush to buy. In 1973, when Florida supermarket banned phosphate detergents, people began hoarding them and saying the banned brands worked better, even though the formula hadn't changed. Black Friday sales trigger frenzy not because people need the product, but because they fear of missing out. Tip is before you jump on limited time offers, ask, do I really want this? Or do I feel the pressure because it's scarce? To persuade, highlight genuine exclusively, like only 20 seats limited, but don't fake it or you will lose the trust. Chapter 7, Commitment and Consistency. Core idea is once people commit to something, they want to act consistently with it because inconsistency makes us uncomfortable. Examples, foot in the door technique. If you sign a petition for safe driving, later you are more likely to put a big drive safely sign in your yard because you already see yourself as supportive. Gyms ask people to set public fitness goals. Once you have told your friends, you are more likely to keep going. Restaurants that ask customer to confirm reservations verbally. Example, will you call if you can't make it? See far fewer no-shows. Tip, use small commitments to build momentum. Example, writing down goals. But be careful, salespersons may trap you by making you say yes to small things first. Chapter 8, Unity. Core idea is we are more easily persuaded by those who we see as part of our identity or in group. It's just liking its oneness. Examples. Political campaigns emphasize we the people or we are the all in this together. During World War II, American war bond postures stress family and shared sacrifice to make people contribute. A salesperson saying, I grew up in the same town as you, shifts the frame from me versus you to we together. Tip, when persuading, emphasize genuine shared identity. We are both the engineers. We are both the parents. When we are persuading, pause and ask, are they appealing to real shared connections or just manufacturing one? Chapter 9, Instant Influence, Automatic Response. Core idea is much of our decision making is automatic, triggered by cues without deep thought. In today's fast paced world, marketers exploit this. Examples, fake online reviews trick us because we rely on shortcuts like if others liked it, it must be good. Airline crashes have happened because co-pilots didn't question captains. Blind obedience to authority. Tips. Before reacting instantly, build the habit of asking, what's the real reason I'm not about to say yes. Summary of all principles. Reciprocation. They gave me something. I should return the favor. Second, liking. I like them, so I will agree. Third, social proof. Everyone else is doing it, so I should do too. Fourth, authority. The expert says so, so it must be true. Fifth, scarcity. I must lose my chance, so I better act now. Sixth, commitment and consistency. I said yes before, I must say consistent. Seventh, unity. We are in the same group, so I trust them. Eighth, automatic influence. Click runs shortcuts that bypass deeper thinking. Thank you.